power ni Jesus yung susunod, hindi ko power. But sabi niya, and the life which I now live in the flesh, I live by faith in the Son of God who loved me and gave Himself for me. So every time kailangan ko kayong gisingin. Hindi ako papayag na matulog kayo hanggang bukas. At dahil pag inabot kayo ng bukas, kayo maiiwan dito, kawawa naman kayo. Good. Ng state militia. At 8:11, nakita niya na ang totoong digmaan. At age 12, siya na po ngayon ang naging kapitan ng barko.
Was reportedly governed by a mysterious sorceress named Himiko. Its exact location has never been identified, nor have the causes of its vanishing been understood.
Hindi yan issue. Ang edad, kanino ka tatakbo? If you believe that you have God who is a source of all wisdom, run to God. Seek for God.
Bago din, lalo na sina Ate Gingging, pati si Elias Marie, no? Na
Apo.
bagong victim survivor na na-identify ng PNP at siya ay nakapag-testigo in person.
With other ancient artifacts and ruins, suggesting it was once part of a larger piece or construction. A Japanese researcher by the name of Hiroshi Hayashi.
Maraming tao, they tried to find God. They tried to seek the Lord. But they did not seek Him with all of their hearts. Pagkatapos lang makitang napakaraming letrang pagpipilian, ayoko na.
Kogiri is that it reaches depths of about 200 feet or 60 meters. This is a monumental undertaking by any standard, especially without the use of modern equipment, and all of them have skillful finishing and intricate decorations, both on the facades and within the interiors. Some of the interior chambers are quite large, which
Pati faction, di ba? Drunkenness, pati ba naman yan? Carousing, yung talaga nagpapakasasa, nagpapakalating dahil akala niya doon siya sasaya. And things like this.
You can see similar megastructures in the Edo Castle in the heart of Tokyo. There are numerous precisely cut stones fitted together without the use of mortar. The remnants of these walls are stone extraction processes, with millions of tons of rock being removed. For simple Bronze Age cultures equipped with primitive tools, such tasks would have been unfathomable.
America during the Civil War. Nagkakaintindihan. Kaya pala? Oo naman. Kaya po minsan yung mga Kaya let me just end this with these words. Tandaan natin sinabi ng Panginoon. I say to you, dahil hindi mo kaya yan, you depend on God even in your Christian life. Walk by the Spirit.
Nakatitik siyang diretso dun sa nagsasalita. Pero parang sandali lang eh. Most of the time, nakababa lang yung pagtingin niya. At yung mukha niya di mo alam kung expression.
Claim that the structure identified on Mars probably went through millions of years of erosion, but it's clearly visible. Shape is a definitive telltale sign of the possibility of
The past protocol kasi, we usually release water kapag puno na po yung dam. Kasi we have to understand that the dams serve its own purposes, specifically, especially for
Para alam niya rin paano pamunuan. Then after 8 years, hinanap niya si God. Lord, hindi ko ito kakayanin. Siguro inaral niya yung mga hari in the past. Nakita ko yung
お主が任教の意志を継ぎ忍者の罪を清算してくれ忍びの都の長き夜に終止符を打つのじゃ
of the tombs suggest significant time, resources, and labor investment. The site's secluded location and the effort required to carve these tombs into rock
anything that pertains to God, yun ang unahin ko. So, yun ang ginawa niya. Inayos niya yung temple. And they send their money over there. Now, teka muna. Teka, ano masasabi ng mga tao?
Laban, nagtitraining sila. Kasi pagka binigyan mo sila ng antibiotic na mali ang dose,
nagre-resist na sila.
nagre-resist sila, lumalakas sila.
So wala na, hindi natatalam.
Exactly.
Ayun.
So huwag kayo magsa-self-medicate. Rainfall warning naman po sa ilang bahagi ng Palawan habang yellow rainfall warning sa Kaluya, Antique at ilang pampanig ng Palawan. Isa na rin naman po sa rainfall advisory ang Bohol, Siquijor, Negros Occidental, Guimaras at ilang bahagi
38 na individuals na po ang na-stranded dito dahil sa bagyong Christine. So, hindi sila makauwi sa kanilang mga probinsya tulad ng Iloilo, Bacolod at Cagayan de Oro. Kaya naman nandito tayo ngayon.
Ng ganyan, Doc?
So dito po, binubuksan po ito.
Demo nga, Doc
Binubuksan po ito.
Ito, ayan.
Naglalagay po ng gamot sa loob.
Tapos,
Tapos, pag
Bubusok.
naglagay po ng gamot sa loob, ikakabit na natin po yung
exploration. The revelations we've encountered compel us to reconsider not just the history of Japan, but the very narrative of human civilization. I showed you these same incisions on various unexplained sites in China, such as the Yangshan Quarry, where gigantic stone blocks were carved from the rock. To
lugar na rin sa probinsyang walang supply ng kuryente. Gumamit na ng generator set ang ilang negosyante.
Ay, mahirap po ma'am. Mas lalo na kapag ano po ma'am, kapag walang tubig yung pinag...
Siyempre, mga kaibigan niya, ang ginawa niya, nag-aral siya, 11 ha, minaster niya ang geometry, trigonometry, and surveying. By the time he was 16,
named to Charmony Winter and it'd fit the UI better. Eternal Calculus is a free-to-play erudition-like cone that gives attack buffs to the wearer, which can help Rappa max out that break damage taken by enemies. But it also gives a speed buff, which is what can really help
transport of ng mga goods natin and other assistance in kind papunta dun sa hard hit area. So as sabi ko nga kanina, ginagawa na yung mga paperwork.
na ako, hindi na ako naglalagay, pero pwede kitang bigyan ng love gift. Ha? Ganun na yung ating, wala nang takot sa Diyos. Binay-Christian na
Maraming salamat, Sandra Ginaldo. Ingat.
Nabilang ata ni Secretary Gibo, at syempre hindi nyo maaalis sa amin na maghanap pa ng karagdagang tulong.
Tapos another question, sir. May initial data na po ba yung
is that with her third basic attack, she does base break damage, and the more enemies that your team has broken, the more toughness it breaks, and the more damage it does. But against enemies that aren't imaginary weak, it does 50% of
Tama ang ginawa ni Josiah. Now that I'm a responsible king, at the age of 8, siyempre, hinanap niya, hinintinta siya ng 8 taon. He had to master, siguro, he had to learn. Sabi sa katabi mo, seek God today. Napansin nyo, hindi nyo makikita lalo doon sa malilit na letra kung nakapikit kayo. Di ba? Kaya we better seek God
muna sa kanilang mga hotel. Maluwag din po yung kalsada dahil wala ring pasok ngayon dito yung government offices at mga paaralan. Ayon kay Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong, wala pang
dahilan kung kaya namatay ang ilang hayop. Igan?
Maraming salamat, Katrina Son. Ingat. Sa ibang balita, wala ng buhay na matagpuan ng isang bagong silang na sanggol.
Ng ganyan, Doc?
So dito po, binubuksan po ito.
Demo nga, Doc
Binubuksan po ito.
Ayan.
Naglalagay po ng gamot sa loob.
Tapos,
pag naglagay po ng gamot sa loob, ikakabit na natin po yung magandang po niya, peak flow meter. Kung sakaling may sintomas siya, nararamdaman niya, nahihirapan huminga, at gumamit po siya nito at mababa po dun sa personal best, maaari pong siya ay inaatake na ng
appeal sa Department of Justice at yung ilan sa kanila ay may kaso na rin o nagtetestigo sa mga kaso kahit pa sa Amerika kung saan may 4 na kasong.
Astronomy and geology, indicating that the people who built them had capabilities that far exceed the traditional view of prehistoric societies. As we close, argues that the monument could be the remains of a 10,000-year-old city submerged at the end of the last ice age due to rising sea levels.
napuntahan na ho ba yung mga devastated areas sa Bicol?
Kanina, yung na-mention ko kanina, sir, no, yung napasok na yung Pulangi at saka yung tama yung sabi.
And where it was discovered. The site's largest and most famous structure, which resembles a stepped pyramid, extends some 90 meters at its base and rises long before our current understanding of history. The evidence suggests a possibility that could fundamentally alter our perception of ancient human achievements.
Natin madalas sa ating mga Pilipino may hika, no?
Yes.
Bakit? Ano ba tong sakit na hika na ito?
Ang hika ay sakit sa baga na kung saan yung daanan natin ng hangin
maging sikat. Di ba? Gusto nilang maging sikat, maging kilala. Kaya nagkakaroon sila ng mga selfie. Pinapakita para mag-create sila ng sarilang stardom. Tama?
Foundations have endured for thousands of years, withstanding the harshest earthquakes in Japanese history. Despite numerous reconstructions due to warfare, natural be much older, predating the traditionally recognized timeline of Japanese civilization. These claims are often based on the advanced technological skills
Sabi pa niya, kanina pa pong hating gabi, walang tigil ang malakas na hangin. Naanimoy ipo-ipo dito sa Bae, Laguna. Ayan, sobrang
Laguna.
nakakatakot. Ingat po ang lahat.
Oo.
May sipol, no? May
sipol.
sipol.
Opo, yun po. Nagwi-wheezing po sila.
Doc, may mga test ba na ginagawa para masukat yung paghinga?
Yes. Karaniwan po, ang ginagamit po natin
not make for yourself, ni hindi ka gagawa ng kahit anong idol or image na kamukha ng nasa langit, nasa taas, nasa lupa, at nasa ilalim ng lupa.
We're only young ones. So kahit nasa anong generation ka man, step out in faith and make an impact and empower the youth today. And that is for CCF Sunday Fast Track. God bless.
practice righteousness is not of God, nor the one who does not love his brother. Kasi kung mahal natin kapatid natin, hindi natin sila aawayin.
Tomb's chamber weighs around 140 tons. Other significant stones in the construction include the upright slabs that weigh approximately 60 tons each. Object covered in small metal plates reminiscent of the heat-resistant tiles used on space shuttles, eventually washed ashore, sparking curiosity and astonishment among the locals.
Paninindigan, matatag, maaasahan. DZBB, Super Radyo 594, Kapusong Pilipino, lahat Super Radyo. DZBB.
Household agency. The limited knowledge available only heightens the sense of fascination surrounding these keyhole tombs, leaving us yearning to uncover what's hidden inside them.
Tigil ang ulan dito sa amin, umapaw na ang ilog. Inabot na mula Quirino Province. Galing kay Jezreel naman yan. Kita niyo po yung pagtaas naman ng tubig sa Anla. Ayan po mga kapuso, kung kailangan niyo po ng tulong o may iba
behind their laborious efforts. But the question is, what? As we transition from the rugged landscapes of Mount Nokogiri to another significant
Nang representing lahat ng koneksyon sa idol na to, sinira niya. Sinong idol? Asirim at saka Beyad. Yang dalawang idol na yan, representation yan ng kanila.
I'm actually going to go over light cones first because it affects her relics, but also because I'm tired of reusing the same video format. One of the best things about Rappa is that she's very accessible to free-to-play players. She's not insanely broken or anything, but she's strong enough.
Weren't actually constructed by them. Additionally, there are turtle tombs so ancient that they are barely recognizable, engulfed in earth and vegetation, suggesting they could be